Angela, I said that we should meet. Like we should go for an outing because I have a lot of things to tell you. You see, I've been observing you for a long time. You are a very good girl. You are a very good girl in this community. And you see, I really do like you. You are the only sugar in my tea. The only cockroach in my wardrobe. And you are the only bed bug on my bed. Please, allow me to be the one that waters the flowers of your love so that it can grow and blossom into something very beautiful. Please, your parents, they know why they named you Angela, because you are an angel. Wow, Angela, you are laughing. That means you are falling for me.
Jay, Angela, I have really suffered. So wait, what do they call you? Leo, Abi Leopard? So, of all the girls in this community, it is me, Angie baby, that you want to profess love to. So, of all the low-class girls of your category, you did not see anyone. Oh, you like better thing. I'm the only sugar in your tea. When was the last time you drank tea? I'm the only cockroach in your wardrobe. Dirty man, you have cockroaches in your wardrobe. With that your ant-infested house. I'm the only bed bug in your bed. You are proud to have bed bug on your bed. Dirty man. You say you want to take me out on a date. You brought me to a forest. Look at it now, mosquitoes are biting me. And you expect me to accept you. So if they call a meeting of men now, you will go there. A man that does not have money. Jobless, miserable man roaming around the streets. I know your parents are not proud of you. See, it's even an embarrassment to stand with somebody like you, so that you will not go and infect me with your poverty now. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Is Victor Isibor not your friend? Tell him now to show you the way so that you can start making money too. Any man that does not have money is a slay queen. You are a babe. Next time if you want to go out, wear skirts, wear a crop top, rub Mary Kay and lipstick. You are a girl.
Chai! But Angela, look at me now. I'm a fine boy.
This man!
My dear, a man is only fine when he has money. Okay?
Jesus is Lord!
Your mates, when they want to woo a woman, they'll take her to a fancy restaurant. The restaurant will be so cozy. They will order a bottle of red wine and her favorite food. The girl will automatically fall in love with you. Now you brought me into a forest. Even if I want to agree and say yes to you, mosquito will bite my mouth.
Jesus! Jesus!
A man is only fine when he has money. A man is only fine when he has money. Victor Isibor, since I was born, I have never been this humiliated. You see that girl Angela that I told you I wanted to take out on a date? I eventually wooed her. That girl insulted the living daylight out of me. In fact, I'm dead. As you're looking at me, I'm a ghost. Prepare me for burial.
What type of plane is this?
No, we must first of all embalm you. Then go and buy your coffin before we talk about burial. Nonsense. Tell me, how did the date go? Which restaurant did you take out to? Did you take out to a Chinese restaurant? Or did you take out to a bar or a lounge? Tell me, where did you guys go and how did the whole outing go?
How many times would they tell you?
Victor Isibor, my man. What is wrong with you? You are my friend now. You know that I don't have a job. And you know that I don't have money. I still live with my parents. So I did not have money to take out to any of those fancy restaurants. I just took her to a nearby bush path, and I proposed my love to her. Close to nature. You know, the place had a very natural environment. The birds were flying, butterfly everywhere, you know.
Oh, no.
Oh, you took her into the bush, close to nature. The birds were flying, butterflies were flying. Tell yourself the truth, shameless man. As the birds were flying, were mosquitoes not flying too? You took such a beautiful girl into the bush at night, Mr. Kidnapper. You wanted to kidnap her? Now you are telling me that she did not accept your proposal. Why will she accept your proposal when mosquitoes were biting her? Were biting the poor girl? What kind of risky love is this one that you are proposing to this girl? What if you guys had been attacked by a wild animal in the bush?
Are you playing? What type of plane is this?
Me, sometimes I don't know how you think. I don't know why you don't have common sense. So, your ex-girlfriend dumped you because you are broke. Instead of you to look for money, you are looking for another girl. I don't understand. Your ex-girlfriend, she dumped you for an old man, a 65-year-old rich businessman. Very ugly looking man. See, no matter how handsome you are, if you are broke in the eyes of girls, you are nothing but a gorilla, a baboon.
He shock you.
Let me tell you, money is like sugar. Women are like sugar ants. If you have money, they will come to you. Stop chasing women. Stop chasing women. Chase money and women will chase you. Get another job. You have not been able to get another job since you lost your last one. Start a physical business. No. I've sent you links to the online businesses that I'm doing. You say, oh, anything online is a scam. So you rather remain jobless, running after everything in skirt in this community. Nonsense, shameless boy. MMM, Agam Questra, Wintrills, BitConnect, BitClub Advantage, FinTouch, QZ Asset Management, Victor Isibor. How many can I count? All these are online businesses. They all failed me. They carried my money and ran away. I had sufficient money from the inheritance I got from my late father. How did all that money finish? From one online business to another, from one online business to another. That is why I told you I'm not interested in any online business. My brother, I perfectly understand your predicament. You are not the only one that has fallen victim of scams. I have also been a victim of scam before. But now I am wiser. What I do is non-custodial. Okay? This is a non-custodial cryptocurrency trading robot service. Your money remains in your exchange. API links the robot to it. It trades your money. Both your capital and profit is inside your pocket. There's nothing like when am I going to withdraw. The money is with you. Just pay to rent this robot for a whole year. Connect it to your exchange and it is printing money for you. It's as simple as that. Well, see, I know that that one is transparent a little, but the truth of the matter is that majority of these robots, I'll now start looking at charts, start doing analysis. I'll now be staying awake at night. There's one of my friends that was doing one robot business. They always woke him up by 2 a.m. to go and shut down his robot, that the robot is sucking his money. Some robots do blow accounts. Some robots don't have good money management. And all these robots, which one have you ever seen that the owner will come out to say, I am the owner? Why are they not proud to associate with this robot service? Yes, the owners, the CEO, the management. Show me one robot company that boldly has a CEO that is fronting and interfacing with the entire community. Show me one. Well, I have good news for you. Now, this robot service I'm introducing you to, it has 100% accurate risk and money management. There are no chances of liquidation at all. It's not even going to happen. This is a revolutionary cryptocurrency trading robot that relies heavily on artificial intelligence, advanced artificial intelligence, AAI, which is called deep machine learning. Now, this robot is programmed to be 100% automated, plug and play. This robot does not need you to tell it the coin is going to trade, when to enter and when to exit. The robot is an assassin in the crypto market. It goes there, pick profit for you, exit the market, scan the market, re-enter, move, execute, clinical precision. Now let me shock you. The CEO of this company is everywhere, interfacing with the community. You can reach him, you can talk to him. If you have any issue, he will attend to you. Everybody in the community is important to him. He's a tech bro and he has invested heavily into this technology. And he is a seasoned and experienced crypto trader, highly successful and very, very wealthy. So unlike every other robot company where their CEOs are hiding in case their robot blows your account so that you will not be able to trace them, this guy is everywhere. He is known.
Wow, that is a major selling point, oh, because you see all these other robots, even though they are non-custodial, many of them, they liquidate people's accounts. Many of them, they malfunction, and none of them has a visible known management or CEO. So what is the name of this one that has all these amazing and transparent features? Please tell me.
I'll not tell you the name. Yes, look in the description of this video, you will see it there. After you register for it, you will see my WhatsApp link there. Use that WhatsApp link to write me for further guidance. Yes, I will not tell you. That is your punishment for taking a beautiful girl into the bush. You were risking that girl's life. Instead of you to take her to a restaurant, order for chicken and chips, let her eat so that she will listen to you very well. You took her into the bush. Were you thinking of catching bush meat for her to eat inside the bush? Are you a hunter? Nonsense.
Oh, no.